Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hawaiian Air credit card from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Hawaiian Air credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser on your computer. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and on the search bar, click over there and type in barclaycardus.com like this and you enter, or you can simply search for Hawaiian Air credit card login like this and you enter on Google. You can see the cards.barclaycardus.com over here. Click over there for Hawaiian Airlines. Now to log into your Hawaiian Air credit card from the home page of Barclay, you can see the credit card option available over here just beside the Barclays logo. Click on credit cards. But this is the direct login page of Hawaiian Air credit card from Google itself. You can see it's authenticated with Hawaiian Airlines over here. Now from the home page, we are over here. We clicked on credit card recently. Now we'll be required to scroll down and find our card which we want to log in. For us, that will be the Hawaiian Airlines. You can see the Hawaiian Air credit card. Click over there. Now you can see both of these websites are same. Now to log into your Hawaiian Mastercard from your home page, you can see login option available over here. Click over there, and both of these websites are same. Now to log into your Hawaiian Air credit card account, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Hawaiian Air credit card account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgotten username or password to retrieve your username or password depending upon which you lost. And if you have not yet created an account, you can create an account from over here where it says set up online access. You'll be taken to the procedure where you can sign up for Hawaiian Air account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Hawaiian Air credit card account. And if you have any questions or confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.